planted. They look awfully organized for a forest. Huh.
Continue straight, then. Your destination will be on the left.
Oh, look at the towers.
I don't have any milk here, I'm sorry.
No.
Oh my gosh. So sweet. Oh, you stepped on your water. Oh, nice hair decoration.
Yeah.
You look great. Oh, hello, sweetie. Oh.
Much low.
Boy.
190 kilo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Little
How long did
claw.
it take to cut them all?
Not so long.
Half an hour.
What do you suggest for puppy food? What do you feed?
Carrier Junior.
You are perfect.
Hey there.
It's okay.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh, hey, fettis.
Yeah.
Ow,
Oh.
ow.
And they are well, not quite intelligent, but they are more forward because they have to be more forward.
Yeah.
But they are like women when they grew up and they are adult. They are like women in general because they ups and downs days.
Yeah.
Males are more steady. The same
Aha.
when you're in, so that's why I want to have a male.
I see.
Because some days you have a female, you can't.
That's what we heard, and we were like, I wonder if
But
it's
it's not so
true.
big difference. But those dogs are not for protecting you for anything. They
Yeah,
are
they're so friendly.
they're friendly to everyone.
Oi. Oi. Excuse you, sir.
So, you can't rely on them if you come in some thieves.
Yeah, of course.
Oi. Oi. Don't hurt yourself now.
The visitor have just.
So Barry is arriving tomorrow. I still can't believe it. I haven't had a pet in like 15 years or so since I ran away from home, and the idea that I'm going to be solely responsible for the well-being and happiness of this creature is kind of freaking me out, honestly. So anyway, I just wanted to show you how we've prepared for his arrival. I'm currently in his den. Yeah, so let me just get out of here and show you around. Here you have his den. All of the den and the contents are from Amazon, Germany. So den that we set up ourselves. We lay down some pee pads in case he needs to go in the middle of the night and we're asleep. His carrier, we remove the door since he won't need that indoors. And his bed isn't too fancy because we're well aware that he's gonna come sleep with us eventually when he's properly house trained. And over here we have a box full of his stuff. So I'm gonna take this out in the daylight so that my camera will stop searching and annoying you. I know. I had to shoot this show and tell part so many times that Barry's already here because my prime lens isn't the best lens for taking videos. Come on, let's get your muta. Taking videos because it keeps searching. I'll get that other one later. Hello. Hello. Barry, meet everybody. Let's show everybody your stuff, okay? I'm gonna get that other muta later when I have my other hand. Okay, so here's his den situation now, and he has his Kong and his chew toys and his carrier that we carried him in when we got him. And here are his pee pads that he never really uses to pee. He just sleeps on them. Water. Okay, let's show them your toys. Here's the box of pee pads. 22 by 22 inches from Amazon, Germany. I don't think we're gonna be able to use them all, but I mean, you know. Here's his treat toy. You know, dogs should be taught to enjoy being alone, so you put treats in here, and then he takes a while to find them. I mean, honestly, he gets frustrated like halfway, but you know, he's gonna get there eventually. And then here's a box of his stuff. We didn't really bother to put this away properly since we're moving to Stockholm in less than 2 months. Hey, stop that. Okay, so here are his stuff. Let me start with this brush, and then LED colors that we got him since he's a black dog and people have to see him in the dark. This is adjustable, so we haven't done that. We're gonna get to it eventually. It's not time to go on walks yet, so we're not in a rush. And seat belt for the car. This one attaches to his collar, and this one to the seat belt. And then this is his poo bags. It comes in a drawer type situation here. It's biodegradable, and then that's really cool. And here is his big boy collar and leash. Let me just show you the collar since it's easier. Powder blue, rose gold hardware. Obviously I chose it. Maybe in a few weeks he's gonna fit into this, but not just yet. And then this is the door to his crate that we removed because he doesn't need that. And then a big old XL comb that opens up on the side. We also have one that opens up on top. And then we got a set of 5 clickers that we don't really use on him. We just use very good boy, so he responds to that. And then in here are his clippers, big boy clippers, so we can't use these yet. For now, we're just gonna use the human nail scissors recommended by the breeder. And then here is his treat container. So the cool thing about this is it's divided by 2, so you can put water on one side and treats on the other side, or different kinds of stuff. And then attached to this, you can attach to this the collapsible bowl over there. Oh, what's wrong? I'm just here. So it's his second full day here, and I am exhausted. Sebastian is exhausted. He asks to be taken out every time he needs to pee instead of using his pee pads. I mean, that's a good boy, but you know, we need to sleep. And I had to go out at 3:20 this morning, and then Sebastian had to go out at like 5. Okay, come on, let's show the others what other stuff you have. Huh? Let's go. Hey. Okay, so in here, in our bathroom, it's a shampoo, just a small one. He doesn't have to be bathed that often anyway. 2 kinds of toothpaste. This one is liver flavored, I think, and this one is mint flavored. And then the mint flavored one came in a set with 2 finger toothbrushes and this other kind of toothbrush, double-sided. I don't quite know why. Hey, Barry. This is his first time in the bathroom, so hi. Come. Good boy. Come. Come on, let's show them your toys. Okay, so over here is 15 kilograms of dog food. That's a fire extinguisher. That's not for him. Yeah, this is the one recommended by the breeder. That's the one they use. So we're using that for now, and then maybe we'll transition him to something else eventually. We haven't thought of that. I got this for Sebastian's birthday last year. Obviously not for Sebastian. Big boy food bowls. The cool thing about this is you can, adjust the height depending on how tall the dog is. I'm always concerned that the dogs hurt their neck when they eat. Yeah, what can I say? I'm a new mom. Okay, over here, just more toys. Cow. And a set of 12 tennis balls. The other one is in the other room. And then in use is this microbiological odor and stain remover. Yeah, and another chew toy. Gosh, this place is a mess, and I don't know how new parents do it. Where's the dog? Barry, where are they? Oh, he's in his crate. A good boy. It's so hard, you know, that he's black, and then like in the nighttime, I can barely see him sometimes. It's a good boy. Oh, he took that chicken thing, and now he's chewing on it. Okay, so this is a good time to teach him to be by himself, and I will back away slowly and do that. Over here we have Barry's name tag. We had it made. At the back is our numbers. Front is his name. So this is gonna go on his collar. Before Barry arrived, we read this book, and we also watched a lot of training videos online. Sebastian's mom gave this to Sebastian for Christmas. I quite like it actually. I like the approach and the positive reinforcement. Anyhow, say bye to everyone. Say bye. Say bye. Bye. Look at the little mouth. Oh, cute. So here are the things we're bringing when we pick him up in an hour. So here's his baby collar. We just got this from the pet store near us. His clippers, 2 nylon bones, a chicken flavored one and a peanut butter flavored one. This one actually really smells like chicken soup. And poo bags, you know, just in case. And also, of course, questions we have for the breeder about his insurance, his feeding stuff, and so on. So, yeah. Right? Seems to be getting worse. It was already a little better. This is what I thought Sweden would look like. Are you ready to be a father? I'm just about ready to throw up in my mouth. Wow.
It would be such a terrible drive.
I know, exactly why you're gonna drive for the rest of your life.
Yeah, you would buy the biggest car and use the Jordbruksverket.
Excuse me. If I got a big car, I would barely see the road because I'm so short. It's kind of pretty. Here we are. I wonder if anybody lives there. Is Glömde forgot?
Du kan gå inside you.
Okay.
Nej, det var skojigt.
Cute!
Skojigt med snön.
Cute!
Oh, hi.
Cute. He's found your new shoelaces. Aww. Thank you. Oi. Hi. Oh. Oh. Sorry. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be home soon. Who's that?
Where are you gonna go to bed now? Why? Where are you bringing it?
Hi.
Oh, is Peter? Okay,
I don't know why he's bringing the blanket for pee time.
let's go. Okay.
What is that? What is it? What is it? Who's that? Who's that?